Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you how can hearing aids address issues related to wind noise. The gentle rustle of leaves, the soothing whispers of the wind, these are nature's symphony that can bring peace to our ears. However, for those with hearing aids, the harmonious soundscape can sometimes be disrupted by the unwanted guest of wind noise. In this podcast, we explore the challenges posed by wind noise and the innovative ways in which modern hearing aids have been designed to address this issue, ensuring wearers experience a seamless auditory experience even on windy days. The intricacies of wind noise. Wind noise poses a unique challenge for individuals with hearing aids. The interference can range from a subtle whooshing sound to a more pronounced disturbance, making it challenging to discern other important sounds. Impact on sound quality. Traditional hearing aids often struggle to differentiate between wind noise and desired environmental sounds, leading to compromised sound quality. This issue became particularly apparent during outdoor activities where wind is a constant companion. Modern hearing aid technology. Recent advancements in hearing aid technology have paved the way for intelligent solutions to combat wind noise. Digital signal processing and sophisticated algorithms now allow hearing aids to distinguish between wind noise and meaningful sounds, preserving sound quality. Directional microphones and wind management. Many modern hearing aids are equipped with directional microphones that focus on sounds coming from specific directions while minimizing background noise. Wind management features work in tandem with directional microphones, reducing the impact of wind noise without sacrificing the clarity of other sounds. Automatic adjustments in real time. Some hearing aids boast real time processing capabilities, automatically adjusting settings based on the environmental conditions. When wind noise is detected, these smart hearing aids make instantaneous adjustments to provide wearers with an optimal listening experience. Windshields and accessories. Physical solutions such as windshields and accessories can be added to hearing aids to create a barrier against wind interference. These additions act as a shield, allowing wearers to enjoy outdoor activities without compromising on sound quality. Customizable settings for windy environments. Hearing aid wearers can benefit from customizable settings tailored to specific environments. With the ability to adjust settings manually or through smartphone apps, individuals can optimize their hearing aids for windy conditions. Educating wearers on usage techniques. Hearing care professionals play a crucial role in educating wearers on effective techniques for managing wind noise. Simple practices such as adjusting the positioning of the microphone or using accessories can significantly enhance the overall experience. As technology continues to evolve, the age old challenge of wind noise for hearing aid wearers is gradually becoming a thing of the past. The synergy of advanced algorithms, directional microphones, and user friendly features ensures that individuals can savor the sounds of nature without the intrusive accompaniment of wind noise. With these innovations, hearing aid wearers can confidently step into the breeze, knowing that their auditory journey remains uninterrupted and harmonious. For any query or concerns, please call us on 9658395839. Our customer support team will assist you further, or mail us at customercare@aanvihearing.com.